Okay, this packaging from our customer, TikTok. Oh, Benz. This Benz key. This thanks card. Menu. Power cable. Solder wires. This multi bracket to convener. NFC card. And this is digital key module. Okay, everything is complete. Okay, this is a remote signal tester. Let me check this origin key is working. Yes or no. And okay, unlock. I will lock. And this open trunk. Okay, this is a good one. Woo! Let me check. Okay, voltage is almost 20.9. That's great. Okay, here I turn this dial to this resistance setting here. Let us turn them together. Check B. Okay, wonderful. It means this position is correct. Now this lock, this unlock, this open trunk. Normally speaking, as for 4-pin buttons, you just test the diagonal point. Press down. Yeah, B again. Okay, touch, no sound. Only press down sound. Okay, touch. Yes, point. Okay. This one is Ben's keyboard from this case. This lock and this lock. This one in middle button is unlock, and this one is open trunk. This is solder wire. This original key is just only 3 buttons. So for some wires they are useless. We just found out this white color, and this is unlock, and this green color is unlock. Blue color is trunk, and this remote start, and this key no remote start, so we can count this one. Okay, this one for spare features. Maybe you slide the door if you have slide door, and other spare 1 or spare 2, and only 3 buttons. So let me count them because they are useless. And this is battery is positive and negative. This negative positive. Now this is lock. This is unlock. This one open trunk. Now this is a solder iron, and this one a leader. Okay, actually I suggest you solder wires to this one far away all the components on the circuit board. This is unlock. That's right. Okay, now this one. Okay, add a little things. Is a lock, this lock, right? Lock is a white color. Cold tins, cold solder. Okay, wonderful. Now, let me solder the unlock. If you like the DIY, then you can have a try. I suggest you solder the wires to the diagonal point. Okay, look at this one. It's beautiful, it's shiny. Oh yeah, wonderful. Then you pour out. It's stable, is that right? Wonderful. Okay, the next button, open trunk, right? Add a little solder. Okay, look. Yeah, great. Let me solder another side. This one is battery. This positive and this negative. Wonderful. Oh, look. Oh yeah, wonderful. That's great. Okay, this is for you. This one is a digital key module. Okay, open the up cover with your finger. Open. Okay, wonderful. Face up forward. Okay, call mic, close mic.